New PayPal module, latest API 2.0, is available with systems based on osCommerce 4 all versions. If you do not have this osCommerce version yet, watch the videos how to install it on your server or on the osCommerce server, as well as watch the videos how to configure the new PayPal module in the standard and advanced variants. In order to test the new PayPal module on Frontend, click on one of the products. Depending on the PayPal module's configuration settings, you can see the PayPal checkout button on the product page. Click on Add to Basket button. You can also see the PayPal checkout button in the shopping cart. Click on Pay with Card button. You can see the PayPal checkout button on the checkout page as well. Fill in the required information, consent with the policy, and click on PayPal checkout button. Log into your PayPal account or create a PayPal account. Click on Agree and Pay Now button. You will see the success page that your order has been created. Let us go to the admin area and click on Orders, Customers, and Orders tabs. The order was created with the status configured in the module settings. Click on this order. You can find further information about the billing method and the transaction details. Add another product to your shopping cart by clicking on Add to Basket. Click on Pay with Card button. Choose credit or debit card. The payment methods chosen in the PayPal module settings show in the following way. Fill in the test information and click on Confirm and Pay button. You will see the success page that your order has been created. Let us go to the admin area and check it. Here is the order, and it has been created with the status configured in the module settings. Let us click on it. You can see the payment method information in the billing method section and also the transaction details about this order. Choose another product and add it to the cart. Click on Add to Basket button and Pay with Card button again. Let us choose GiroPay method and click on Confirm and Pay button. Let us choose Test Successful Payment option. The order has been created successfully. Let us go to the admin area and check it. Again, the order has been created with the status specified in the module settings. Let us click on it. You can see the payment information in the billing method section and also the details of your order. See the links to the videos below demonstrating the new PayPal module integration with systems based on osCommerce 4.